Great. Take number 486. Good enough for not having air in the tank. Alright, first things first, take a break. Two 12mm to drop your skid plate. Unhook your wires, the connectors. One's down here, one's a little higher up by the fan. And then take these 10mm. Don't touch the Allen heads or else you're not gonna have fun. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10mm. Take them out and expose the goodness. It's delicious. So I got a new one of these little fellas and a couple of them bearings. I think it's gonna be, yeah, that guy has got to come out after it gets a hearty dose of brake clean. So that buzzing noise when you try to downshift, is that right there? See that flat spot? Shit. Awesome. Hell, I think he even left out. That's a thing. And then a couple of those. Those gears survived. So to do a blind bearing removal without the tool, I find it's best to just use some whole wheat bread and a drill bit that is just toy, and just stuff that sucker full of bread. Give it a love tap. See it moving. Now, yeah, we still got some bread. Kind of gross bread, but more bread. Someone keeps eating the bread. All right, got a refill. This works good for pilot bearings too. On many makes and model of vehicle. She's almost there. It's just like feeding a pigeon. It is. And it comes out like that. And the bread, it's easy to clean up. You almost can't eat it after that, but you just stuff to do. Just shove it in there. And then just slob some grease on them suckers and put it back together. Time for it to go home.